Friends, here is a question. A lot consists of 48 mobiles, of which 42 are good ones, 3 have minor defects and 3 have major defects. Varnika will buy a phone if it is good one, but the trader will only buy if it has no major defects. What is the probability that it is acceptable to Varnika, and second, it is acceptable to trader? एक लॉट है मोबाइल फोन्स का जिसमें 48 मोबाइल फोन्स है और 42 अच्छे मोबाइल्स है, 3 मोबाइल्स में माइनर डिफेक्ट्स है और 3 में मेजर डिफेक्ट्स है. वर्णिका उसमें से एक अगर चुनेगी तो वही लेगी जो गुड वन है, ना उसको माइनर डिफेक्ट वाला चलेगा ना तो मेजर डिफेक्ट वाला चलेगा. और ट्रेडर अगर कोई है तो उसको माइनर डिफेक्ट वाला भी चल जाएगा लेकिन मेजर डिफेक्ट वाला नहीं चलेगा. तो हमें पूछा गया है कि व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट इट विल बी एक्सेप्टेबल टू वर्णिका एंड इट इज एक्सेप्टेबल टू ट्रेडर. तो फर्स्ट वी नो दैट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोबाइल फोन्स दैट इज इक्वल टू 48 मोबाइल फोन्स है. उसमें से मेजर डिफेक्ट वाले जो है वो है 3 एंड माइनर डिफेक्ट वाले जो है वो भी है 3. तो टोटल डिफेक्टिव मोबाइल फोन्स जो हो गए, डिफेक्टिव मोबाइल फोन्स वो कितने हो गए? 3 और 3 6, ये डिफेक्टिव मोबाइल फोन्स हो जाएंगे. अब टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोबाइल्स है 48, देयरफॉर गुड मोबाइल फोन्स कितने हो गए? 48 माइनस 6 विच इज इक्वल टू 42. तो 42 गुड वन हो गए, मेजर डिफेक्टिव 3 हो गए, माइनर डिफेक्टिव 3 हो गए, द टोटल डिफेक्टिव 6 है और टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोबाइल फोन्स 48 है. एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट इट इज एक्सेप्टेबल टू वर्णिका. अब वर्णिका को कौन से एक्सेप्टेबल है? ओनली द good ones, that is 42. So in case of Varnika, so probability of acceptable to Varnika, that is equal to what? The acceptable means the favorable will be 42, so favorable outcome that will be 42 for Varnika, and of course the total outcome will be 48, and therefore the probability will be 42 upon 48, and 42 upon 48, that is 7 by 8. So the probability that the mobile phone acceptable to Varnika will be 7 by 8. Now see the second one, that is B1 is acceptable to the trader. Now here we will solve it further. Acceptable to the trader, that is trader accepts the minor defect mobile phones and the good mobile phones. Therefore acceptable to the trader will be what? 42 plus 3. So the favorable outcome for the trader will be what? 42 plus 3 and that is equal to 45. ये ट्रेडर को एक्सेप्टेबल हो गए क्योंकि वो माइनर डिफेक्ट वाले भी लेने के लिए तैयार है, गुड वन और माइनर डिफेक्ट. सो टोटल फेवरेबल आउटकम फॉर द ट्रेडर विल बी 45 and therefore the probability for the trader that will be what? Favorable upon total outcome, so it will be 45 upon total outcome is 48, and so 45 upon 48, that will be 15 by 16, and therefore the probability for the trader to accept the mobile phone will be 15 by 16. Here is a question. A number selected at random from the numbers 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 9, 9, 9 and 9. Find the probability that the selected number is their average. Out of these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So total numbers are 10. Out of that 10, one is selected at random and you have to find the probability of the selected number is their average. So first we will have to find the average to find the favorable number. So we will take the average. How do we find the average? So average will be the sum of all the numbers divided by total number of observation. So first we will find the average. So what will be the average? It will be 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 and plus 9 divided by the total number of observations, that is 10. And so which is equal to, here we will add all these. 9 4 the 28, 36, 9 4 the 36, 7 3 the 21, 5 and 5 10 and 3. If you add all this, you will get it at 70 upon 10, and which is equal to 7. So here the average number is 7, and it is asked that find the probability that the selected number is 7. Average means what? It is 7. So average number 7 है, तो probability of selected number should be what? It is 7. तो यहाँ पर 7 एवरेज नंबर है, तो फेवरेबल नंबर विल बी व्हाट? 7. सो हाउ मेनी 7 आर देयर? 1 2 and 3. So the favorable outcome will be 3. So total number of outcome, that will be 10, and favorable outcome, that is equal to 3, and therefore the probability of getting a average number, that will be equal to favorable outcome upon total outcome, that is 3 upon 10, and therefore the required probability will be 3 upon 10. Friends, here is a question. If number x is chosen from the number 1, 2 and 3, and a number y is selected from the number 1, 4 and 9, find the probability that xy is equal to 10. यहाँ पर आपको 1, 2 and 3 इन तीन नंबर में से एक नंबर चूज करना है, और 1, 4 and 9 इसमें से एक नंबर चूज करना है, और हमें फाइंड करना है कि प्रोबेबिलिटी ये होनी चाहिए कि दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 10 होगा. तो गिवन नंबर्स आर 1, 2 and 3. Another set of the number is 1, 4 and 9, and we have to select one number from this set and one number from this set, and we have to check what is the probability, that is xy, means the product of that two selected number should be 10. So we will see what are the possibilities of the product be 10. So here first the possibility will be 1 into 1, 1 into 1. Second possibility will be 1 into 4, 1 into 4. Third possibility is 1 into 9. Correct? And then if 2 is selected, other number is 1 is selected, then the product will be 2 into 1. That possibility is there. Then second will be 2 into 4. That possibility is there. Third will be 2 into 9. That possibility is there. 2 into 9. Then other set will be what? 3 into 1, 3 into 1, then 3 into 4, and then 3 into 9. And if you see that there is no product is 10, किसका भी प्रोडक्ट 10 नहीं है, तो 10 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी हो जाएगी? इट विल बी 0, बिकॉज इट इज इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट. ये इवेंट हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि किसी का भी प्रोडक्ट, किसी भी पेयर का प्रोडक्ट 10 नहीं है. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी हो जाएगी? प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी 0, एंड देयरफॉर द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ xy to be equal to 10, that will be equal to 0, because it is impossible event. It is impossible event. And so this question is important, because this is the different type of question. So put a hashtag mark and revise this question. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.